HUSA stock analysis and HUSA stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to be answering whether it's really a buy or not for me, and when exactly would I be taking any trades. Especially now for context, I've done 42,000 videos over 5 years. Yes, it's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars, and it's all documented like no one else. You can check it all out. HUSA specifically, well, I don't know why my drawings are now on the chart, but today we pumped up like crazy. We had like a reverse split, so that's the reason why. When it's pumping up this crazy, all I'm looking to do is just double down and milk the most that I can out of it, you know, meaning I'm looking to buy now, right? But since it's the end of the week, all that's going to matter is just how Monday is going to open. But I'm going to be here kind of ready, you know, I'm going to show you my bias on it. Obviously, if I don't see this giving me my confirmations with a double break, then I guess I'm not going to be buying, and that's totally fine from my end. I mean, specifically, I have done well over 42,000 videos. So if you want to stay tuned with HUSA and want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K from my trading, click the first link in the description and get my free